What's up, Viral Hawks family? We're back and ready to blow your mind with the wildest inventions hitting the scene. From jaw-dropping gadgets to future tech you didn't even know it existed. We've got it all. So, if you have grabbed your popcorn as we have, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's dive straight into the future. Let's go! Meet Maximus, the AI-powered robot that's revolutionizing renewable energy. It installs solar panels at lightning speed twice as fast as traditional methods while slashing costs by half. Get ready for a brighter, more efficient future. Air travel just got a major upgrade. The futuristic Heaven H2 just soared on liquid hydrogen, doubling its range and payload while leaving only clear skies in its wake. Wave goodbye to hail damage. Just strap on the hail suit and watch it inflate to protect your ride wherever you park. The Vugless Super 3002 is the only machine of its kind, paving 3 lanes on a 2.6-mile stretch. It creates a seamless 51-foot wide sidewalk while laying down an impressive 1,600 tons of asphalt every hour. The 200-pound Hydrema rail dump truck glides smoothly along the tracks, packing serious power into a compact build. With advanced engine tech, it's a showstopper at every turn. Check out these LED turn signal gadgets for cyclists. Whether it's a vest, backpack, or saddle bag, they light you up like a beacon on the road, keeping you safe and seen every ride. Meet the Quintessenza by Udall Design, a wild blend of elegance and thrill. With a 750 kilometers range on a single charge and a lightning-fast 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, you control every bit of it straight from your smartphone. The ISO Dynamic Performance seat is in a league of its own. You'll feel like a superhero, navigating intense off-road conditions with complete control and zero jolts. Seal your windows like a pro. Not today, rain, show me. Introducing CUO, the ultimate smooth ride that effortlessly navigates upstairs, weaves through tricky spaces, and reaches places elevators just can't. Get ready for the next tech revolution. Keep your eyes peeled, you won't want to miss this game changer. Say goodbye to wobbles while you're learning to ride a motorcycle. These smart training wheels think fast and keep your ride upright, so you can focus on mastering the road.
Yes, okay.
Let's shout! Keep the peace with the Moltalk mask, muffling your cheers or gamer yells by 30 decibels.
Yes, guys, yes.
Transform your pool into a swimming workout or a chill zone with the Slipstream swim machine. It's your personal trainer and water filter all rolled into one. Forget about jacks and those awkward pit dives. This portable lift is a total game changer for car enthusiasts. Take a guess in the comments. How much does a plane weigh? Now, imagine the Mototalk, small but mighty, capable of turning 50 of them around on a single charge in minutes, just like that. Say hello to the MyView glasses by Meizu. The lightest AR glasses are just 2.5 ounces. Enjoy stunning visuals with micro LED screens and diffraction tech plus short-sighted lenses and 4 hours of battery life. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate just schooled the Samsung Galaxy Z phone by transforming into a sleek 1.2-inch tablet. Smash that like button if you think it could take on Apple. Feast your eyes on this amazing LED tech. These crystal-clear screens bring interactive, holographic displays to life in a truly mesmerizing way. Calling all tea lovers, this table keeps your tea vibes strong, always prepped and ready for that perfect brew. Voice Biz by Tapin translates 11 languages in real time. And here's the cool twist. Its standout feature is a transparent display that shows text bubbles during the conversation, allowing you to maintain eye contact. This house is pure fantasy, the ultimate space-saving marvel you never knew you needed. Nadia, the humanoid robot, is throwing punches in boxing training, all remotely controlled with a cool VR motion capture setup. Imagine wearing a white outfit that brightens gloomy days and then bursts into a dazzling array of colors when UV rays hit its cutting-edge fabric. Transform your coffee into a stunning art piece with the latest edible links, yummy and creative. The Smart Sky Vest senses when you're about to fall and inflates instantly, shielding your chest, spine, head, and even your tailbone, providing reliable protection every time. Let tech take the wheel for the toughest cleaning jobs, keeping workers safe and out of danger. With 150 bamboo sticks combined with other biodegradable materials for just €40, the Minecraft Hong acts like a toy tossed in the wind, helping to save lives from landmines. Remember Captain America's indestructible shield? Well, it's got a challenger now. This futuristic ride has your back when it's time to haul the boat smooth and easy every time. Get excited for the future. The Aeronext flying gondola is ready to whisk you away on an unforgettable journey. Strap in for the Velo Hyperfoil. This electric hydrofoil glides over the water at an exhilarating 40 miles per hour, delivering an epic, whisper-quiet ride with zero emissions and no wake. Let's take off! Get ready for history in the making with Rocket Lab's groundbreaking 180-pound automated fiber placement machine. This powerhouse creates massive carbon composite rocket parts, reaching lengths of up to 98 feet, while laying down fiber at an incredible 328 feet per minute. That's a whopping 150,000 hours saved in production. When you're claiming your parking spot, don't just hit the snooze button, get a garage to safeguard your wheels and keep them safe and sound. Goodbye is like having your very own kitchen robot army. These modular machines can whip up 150 meals per hour and an astonishing 3,000 meals a day. They take care of everything, all while slashing labor costs by an incredible 80%. Get ready for some serious engineering power. These massive lifts effortlessly smooth multi-ton barges and chips between different water levels like it's a walk in the park. It's absolutely epic. The One is the ultimate outdoor cooking setup, portable, powerful, and loaded with cooking modules, a far-infrared heater, and lighting. It's perfect for any adventure. Fancy Shoes military kicks are renowned for their toughness, and it's easy to see why they're truly impressive. Introducing Air One, an aircraft that lets you drive through the sky. With just 8 moving parts, it's all about reliability and efficiency. It can carry up to 550 pounds for a full hour. Get ready to soar. An American student spent 6 months assembling a submarine from scrap materials, and it can dive over 30 feet deep, staying underwater for 2 whole hours. Now that's some groundbreaking creativity. Set your sights on the pinnacle of technology and power the V16 engines with a whole new roar. Don't let the long name fool you. The Mills Tweed Bin and Billet Bin unit is a master of space-saving magic. Trust me, you're in for a treat. The Digital Sphere from Screen Solutions International offers everything from a compact 24-inch sphere to a colossal 10-footer, showcasing visuals that will ignite your imagination. Building a waterway like this typically takes a month, but with this inflatable fabric formwork, it's done in just 2 days. Simply puff it up like a balloon and fill it with concrete. Stay cool in the scorching heat with this powerful humidifier, no sweat at all. Attention travelers, tune in as Airbag Go reveals the secrets to packing everything you need and more. Some innovations, like the Mystic River Bascule Bridge, are so ingenious that they've withstood the test of time for over a century. This is insane! High-tech stoves can turn veggies into gourmet dishes all by themselves. Not only is this boat a real head-turner, but it's also incredibly fast. Its swings allow it to glide through the water with almost no resistance. GasX is a gas-powered system that sets off explosions in the snow to control avalanches. Bet you didn't know that. Smash that like button. Don't blink! Ambidex now features human-like hands, making it more like us than anything we've seen before. The Freedom Tracks turn your wheelchair into an off-road beast, ready to conquer dunes and slopes with ease. Tilken TX ID Byte alarms use digital signal processing to filter out noise from waves and tiny line twitches, so you can stay focused on the real bytes. Wave goodbye to hail damage. Just strap on the hail suit and watch it inflate to protect your ride wherever you park. Park your EV anywhere with the Zip Charge. Stay powered up and say goodbye to charging station worries. The Vuglas Super 3002 is the only machine of its kind, paving 3 lanes on a 2.6-mile stretch. It creates a seamless 51-foot wide sidewalk while laying down an impressive 1,600 tons of asphalt every hour. Say hi to Pipette, the robotic survey rig. This clever gun tackles risky spots where people can't easily go. It snaps sharp 3D images and uses AI to detect cracks and predict what's next for the structure. I think this is the coolest use of drones. No one should take risks. Drop in the comments what other awesome ways we can use drones. This video spills the beans on the biker's secret to popping wheelies. Ready to have your mind blown? This is epic. That was an absolutely insane, right? Hit up the comments and share your answer to this crucial question. If you could only keep one high-tech device for the rest of your life, what would it be? Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll catch you later.